this is my daily. I drive this to work.
Daily driver system. Awesome.
Yes, it is.
I'm sure some of your coworkers are like, whoa, this is a loud
We live in
building.
a town about 1,000 people. Not many
Really?
people
Not
like
many?
it.
Yeah. Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
I'm Peggy. I've got 4 AB HDD1s. I'm running on stock alt with the 12K amp.
Okay. What's your electrical battery power on it for the
I've
socket?
got 95 amp hours.
Okay.
Lithium.
Nice.
Going in here.
Looks really good. Who built this?
I designed it. My husband and best friend over here, they built it.
Okay, very nice. And it's like is it a 1-to-1 ratio for it, or what's your ratio on it? 2 to 1, okay.
Yeah.
Very nice. And your tuning, sorry, I just like to know everything.
I've got 45 hertz.
45? Okay. Have y'all metered it wise? It feels like at least a 153, 150.
153, but
Yeah.
my husband got a 157 out of it.
You let me smack it up.
Awesome. That's really good. Very nice.
Thank you.
I'm impressed that you can run on stock alternator, but the battery power today with technology, it's done really good.
Yes, I am down to
Man.
10 volts right
Yeah.
now. So
Wow, and the way you installed that, you must have, how did you get the subwoofer to sit up there? Did you use a jack or?
2x4.
2x4, there you go, that works.
2x4 and held it
Okay.
up. Luckily, my husband's really small, so he was
Oh,
able
yeah.
to fit in here before we put the front
Yep.
on.
Yes, ma'am.
But everything is doubled.
Very nice.
It's
Looks
doubled
really good.
everything.
And it's sealed off and you don't have any leaks and awesome.
Not that I'm aware of.
Not that you're aware of. Yep. I'm gonna go look at the back.
All right. You have to pull it twice. I have a child lock.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, there you go. Hey, thank you, man. What's up? Oh. Woo. I'm gonna take a picture real quick if that's okay. I forgot to
You're
take a
fine.
picture.
You're fine.
This is nice. Little blue lights make it crisp.
Yes.
Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vire. I hope you're enjoying the video so far from Peggy at the Ruckus and Chill 2021 show in Fayetteville, North Carolina. Go ahead and if you haven't already, give them a thumbs up for the showcasing, and we're going to see how it sounds here in a minute. So also comment and let her know what you think about the system. Say something positive. We try to keep this channel and videos always positive energy. I really like the way they had the subwoofers inverted facing upward for 2 and 2 subwoofers facing downward for 2. So all 4 subs are still in phase when the subwoofer base hits. And there's also a sealed section on the top and the bottom that we actually can't see, which makes this a 4th order bandpass enclosure as well. And these are all 4 on one big powerful amplifier, the VFL 12,000 watt amplifier here. She does have it on a stock electrical system with the alternator, but a 95 amp hour lithium. Do not recommend to run more than honestly 3,000 to 5,000 watts RMS on a stock alternator. Probably less than that for some people, but with technology today, it is possible, but she was running down into the 12 volt ranges you'll see in the video here in a minute. So anyway, shout out to everybody watching, subscribing, and enjoy the demo.
And this is my daily. I drive this to work.
Daily driver system. Awesome.
Yes, it is.
I'm sure some of your coworkers are like, whoa, this is a
We
loud
live in
building.
a town about 1,000 people. Not many
Really?
people
Oh, not
like
many?
it.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
What's up, man?
Hello, man. Yes, sir. Yeah, I would love to hear it.
She got it on the phone. Top 10 down.
She got it on the phone. Top 10 down.
That's some pressure. Wow. Whew. Have y'all metered it wise? It feels like at least a 153, 150.
153, but
Yeah.
my husband got a 157 out of it.
You let me smack it up.
Awesome. That's really good. Very nice.
Thank you.
I'm impressed that you can run on stock alternator, but the battery power today with technology, it's done really good.
Yes, I am down to
Man.
10 volts right
Yeah.
now. So
Wow, and the way you installed that, you must have. How did you get the subwoofer to sit up there? Did you use a jack or
2x4.
2x4? There you go. That works.
2x4 and held it
Okay.
up. Luckily, my husband's really small, so he was able
yeah.
to fit in here before we put the front
Yep.
on.
Yes, ma'am.
But everything is double.
Very nice.
It's
Looks
double
really good.
everything. Thank
And
you.
it's sealed off, and you don't have any leaks. And awesome.
Not that I'm aware of.
Not that you're aware of. Yep. Thank you very much for the
Thank
demo.
you.
Nice to meet you.
She got it on the phone. Top 10 down.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.